morning to all, and from the bottom of my heart, I would like to once again welcome you all to our first year anniversary. The pandemic situation was very tough throughout, but the enthusiasm of spreading infinite amount of wealth and health is still going on with the help of our distributors. I would like to appreciate each and everyone who joined hands with us immediately understood throughout. To this day, even people tell us that we are not going to sustain. Two-line generation plan is not genuine. It won't work. They will wind up. Within no time, to all such questions, we have answered with our success. We started 28 products and continued to 48 products in just 1 month. And now we have 100 plus products, and happily we are announcing that we are planning 100 more products in this year. We initially started with healthcare, perfect personal care, OBP care, and then added Natural Earth, Fresh Dent, Home Win, and Kisan Grow product category in the second month. We launched a special category product for personal care under the brand name of Perfect Premium. Health is equally important to all. Being a person is rich or poor. In present scenario, health is utmost priority for any human being. Specialty of Winfinith products is that it is a combination of multiple nutrients or herbs which together improves the health of the individual. At the same time, it is pocket friendly when compared with any other competitors. Ayurveda is the Indian traditional system which is spread worldwide now. And we at Winfinith are planning to bring more products in Ayurvedic cadre. During the pandemic, the highest sellable products were Respo Relief and Winmunity CDLZ. This was like right product at right time. I know you are all waiting for new products. We are going to launch our unique combination of products like Win Omega CoQ10 Plus 12-in-1 Squash. Squash means highly concentrated with highest Varak value. We are living in the country where we proudly say Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy, but it's sad to say that the farmers are the one who are sufferers in every situation, being it climatic changes, a rising cost of fuels, manures or fertilizers, or the pandemic situation like COVID-19. As a solution and to support farmers in the farming, we have introduced a special category of biostimulants under the brand name of Kisan Grow. Baby care products are the sensitive products, we know that, which is not so easily acceptable by everyone. But we at Winfinith are proud to tell that all baby products were launched in the second month after company launched. Due to its highest quality, these products were welcomed and accepted. We launched a unique premium category of personal care products under the brand Perfect Premium. Here the true meaning of premium is quality. All the products are paraben free and hypoallergenic. Let's know our top sellable products in different products categories. Firstly, under healthcare category, our top 3 products are Panchatulsi drops, Spirulina and Aloe Vera under healthcare category. Rice bran oil is the top sellable product in Natural Earth range. OBaby soap is the highest sellable product under OBaby Kids Care product. HFA granule is the highest sellable product under the category of Kisan Grow. And the Perfect Premium product category products which were launched in the month of November 2020 has the total sale of 12,000 units of anti-hair fall shampoo so far. Our utmost priority is youth and women empowerment. And to empower with our plan and products, we are planning to launch skincare and color cosmetics. This we proudly announce, which is the most by any direct selling company since it started its operations in India. That Winfinity is the first ever company in direct selling industry to launch 100 plus products within its first year. Our backend team is very strong to adopt the new technology. We are very proud to announce that we are planning to launch new products every month under each category with new technology without forgetting our traditional Ayurvedic system. For example, all those products which were introduced in the form of capsules are being converted tablet form for more efficacy. In a product-based company, most of the distributors will be doubting on product availability, but we are ensured as of now that Winfinity is holding inventory of 6 months, and in coming days we will increase more. It has been observed that a lot of direct selling companies have started business in a very rapid speed, as well as a lot of companies have closed with the same speed. With 2 decades of experience, we came to know that education plays major role in direct selling industry. Due to lack of understanding of education system in direct selling, people have failed to succeed. Our education system has all the inputs from experienced leaders, and we also have subject experts for healthcare, personal care, business development, and also agriculture. Winfinity education system started from the day one, and we have considered education as a priority. Even during the pandemic, our educational trainings from the subject experts and leaders were conducted virtually. So far, around 100 plus trainings have been conducted virtually from the leaders, subject experts and directors. Winfinity has a very strong education system which not only helps in professional life but in personal life, and also grow as a true leader. To strengthen our education system, we will be uploading special videos on products. Updated products catalog will be available and can be accessible by everyone through our website. Education is a constant learning process. We would update ourselves and our distributors for better understanding of the changes around us. Thank you, and we wish you infinite of wealth and health. Yours, Mahesh Degla.